Thank you.
Let I'm happy. Cause today at least
Mm-hmm.
I won't add too much Zulu. Cause I was like, ke bontle. That means bontle wa bua. It's obvious.
Uh-huh. Ke bua Sesotho, ke ngwanyana Mosotho.
Oh, so please tell us here, ne? Before you even go
Mhm.
deeper, please introduce yourselves to the listeners. Gore ko wena mang, o tswa kae? Like batho ba go itse ka eng?
Okay. Thank you for that opportunity. Hi, TK SR radio station listeners. My name is Bondle Priscilla Lisito. I'm 23 years old. I am your Miss Golden Heart SA finalist 2026. And ke tsebahala ka not just beauty but brains. Thank you.
Ayeye. O tsebela ka ntho tse two. Not just beauty, but this one, she goes with the brains.
Mm-hmm.
Wena
Yes.
le ikutlwetse ga se nna Arial beauty with brain. So wena wa bontle beauty but the brains are left behind. Worrying. Where are the brains? But as collab, topic for another day. So, Buntle, what inspired you to join to enter Miss Golden Heart South Africa?
Thank you for that question. What inspired me to join Miss Golden Heart SA was that it is a platform that gives young people, that create opportunities for young people to showcase their talent, their skills, and also to make their dreams come true. Not just that, but to make an impact in the communities that they live in, and South Africa as large, because it's a national stage.
Mm, mm, mm. So, when did you discover Horne, man? Nobody can do modeling.
I discovered in university when I was doing my first year. So that is why I'm so proud, because modeling chose me. I did not, I had no idea. But when I got to university, that's when I entered a pageant, because they saw me in heels, working in heels. They advised me to enter it. I entered and I won the queen title. It was Miss Residence 2022 hashtag Haystack in CUT, Central University of Technology.
What did you study there?
I studied language practice and media studies.
Wow. You are good at media.
Absolutely. Count me in.
Oh, you are already marketing yourself. Okay.
Uh-huh.
You see, we have a problem. Ne? Our media side is lacking, but the radio part, whereby to present, the streams are going very, very well. But the person who's busy working on our radio station media, yo, that person is lagging. Sometimes they forget to post. Bontlotsen. We are looking for a qualified one. We are looking for a qualified person. We have to speak. After the interview, we have to discuss.
After
And
this interview, let us speak. Let us have a conversation. I need to step in and make a positive change.
plus she studied this thing. She studied, she's qualified.
Absolutely.
Yeah, ne? So since Miss Golden Heart Eleko Eastern Cape, ne? You are from
Yes.
Kana, the province.
I'm in the Free State. I'm in the Free State.
Okay, how did you discover them?
I discovered them online. Oh, thank you, media, because I discovered Miss Golden Heart SA online, and I started following it because I was quite interested in how the girls, their public speaking. I love speaking, so I was very much impressed. I started following them. So it was interesting because of the exposure it comes with. This platform is a microphone to send messages throughout.
Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, ne? kuzoshuba la.
Mhm.
Um, so how has your family supported you throughout this journey?
My family is there for me. Oh, my family is the strongest support system that I have, not just financially, but emotionally, and also reminding me that, hey, girl, this is a competition. As much as all of the girls are gifted, they have talents, you must remember that this is also competition. So wake up and get those tasks done and push until the end. So, yes, they're
Yo,
very much supportive, and I'm grateful to God.
Modimo o tla pele, Modimo o tla pele. Mm, go na le pina
And
ya-
remember, I'm using my sister's phone. I'm using my sister's phone. So you can tell Oguti when it comes to my stuff, even though they have limited knowledge about pageantry, but their support is like they know everything about pageantry.
ba
So,
kopantsha man, ba kopantsha.
yeah.
Ai, ka go bolelela. You got this.
Waphandela.
So tell us, Yene, is this your second first interview?
This is my third interview.
We are breaking the record.
Throughout my pageantry journey, or for this pageantry?
Throughout all competition that you have entered before.
I have a couple, but not more than 5. I think this may be the 5th one.
Go and get more. Go and get more, ne?
I'm on it. I'm already on it to win it.
Yeah. So, obviously, you will have challenges along the way. So, what challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them?
One of the challenges I faced was I was unable to manage my time. I'm currently working, and I'm also a big sister, so I have errands to run as a big sister. I'm a server at church. I put God first, obviously. I'm also a pageant girly. So I was unable to manage my time because pageantry is time consuming, but I had to be able to handle the workload that comes with pageantry. I set up time that is strictly for pageantry. That is why I'm able to be this far as now.
Mm, 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 mm. I'm
That is
also.
one of the top challenges I faced.
Mm, I also have the same. Mara, this one is not a challenge when it comes to church. Okay, me at church, I'm that IT guy, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, I studied IT, something started from home. So
Oh,
I also push it at church. Some
oh, brilliant.
yeah. When they get
Yes,
hacked,
yes.
they call me and I come
Uh-huh.
and do the thing. So
Clock it.
yeah,
Clock it for you.
yeah. So never stop pushing, even if you can get tired. Try to balance. I know it don't be easy, but look, like Bontlem, the church need you. Make sure you just clock
Mhm.
in, like squeeze in that thing. When it comes to church, let's put church first. Ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I mention also this challenge?
Mhm.
Financial aid. It's a lot. Getting sponsors, being able to pay a sponsorship fee, and also the money that you have to have in order to buy the things that you need to buy, clothes wise, transportation, the posters, the photo shoots. It comes with a lot of it's financially draining. So if you don't have any financial aid or sponsors, to be specific, you get frustrated, and it's not easy to get a sponsor, especially from a town that I live in a small town in the Free State. People are looking for money, and I'm also looking for money, and they don't have knowledge about pageantry, so it's not easy to get them to really find you or support you when it comes to finances.
Mm, mm,
Yes.
mm. So yeah, that one finance. Oh, zaka ke flop. Tšhelete ke mathata man. Ke mang
Ke bothata.
ke mang a entseng tšhelete? Who made money?
Hair is the root of all evil, but yes, we need that money.
We need it vela. Yona ya batlahala.
Hmm.
Yeah. So any project, since you said where you are from, they don't have that knowledge when it comes to pageantry. Any projects that you are running, like to give back to the community? Kin so setsang?
That is why I have entered Miss Golden Heart SA. It's because I am looking for a platform that will give me a microphone so that I can teach communities about pageantry, especially young people, girls to be specific, about pageantry, and using this platform to showcase your skills, your talents, making your dreams come true. Because if you do not have knowledge, you won't be able to mobilize this platform. So the project that is coming is to make rural areas to be able to know about pageantry. I will start by teaching at schools, making those workshops that are necessary to equip young girls, young people, because I advocate for youth empowerment, to equip young people in order to know that you can lead with purpose and you can also put the crown on it.
Oh, I tell you, are doing the most. We play
Mm.
late,
I
ne?
guess.
We play late.
Mhm. Ke jwetsitse wa tsa Basotho bona Basotho ra itjwetsa ra ipolela.
Yo, yeah, ne? So, what lesson have you learned from pageantry? Actually, no. What lesson have you learned since you joined Miss Golden Heart South Africa?
A lesson that I've learned since I joined this pageantry is that pageantry is business. You are a brand as a person. So how you present yourself, how you carry yourself, what you do, your social media pages, what you post is very much important because you are a brand yourself. So you need people to buy that, to buy in what you're doing, which is pageantry. That's number one lesson that I've learned, that pageantry is serious business. We are not here to play. We are not just here to be in swimwear and walk on stage, but we are a brand that needs to be bought and make a change in our communities, the world at large.
Mm, 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 mm. I na ga ke sa tseba. I don't know. Ang as much. Na o sene. O seneletse man. O itse keng? O seneletse. So, since you are busy, you are not busy, how do you inspire young people to believe in themselves?
How can you please repeat the question? How do I inspire young people to be in?
To believe in themselves.
Oh, that is the most important question. Thank you so much for that question. Young people, if you know that you were wonderfully and fearfully made, then you will start believing in yourself, because believing in yourself is start by knowing your identity, and your identity is in your creator. So if you know that you are great because you were created in the likeness and the image of God, and he blessed you and gave you dominion, that means you will start believing in yourself, and you will find your purpose through believing in yourself, and that's when you will really start making impact.
Hle bontle. Ngeke. Modimo. Sentle. Who is your role model and why?
My role model, my mom. My mom has to be my. I'm sorry, as cliche as it may sound, my mom is my role model, because that woman, I've seen her go through a lot and staying strong and continue to believe in God. She's a woman of stubborn faith, and as a believer, I believe that faith is the substance of things hoped for, things unseen, but it's the evidence of those things. So she's a woman of faith, and I am here because I also believe that I can do it. So she is my role model. I've seen her life being a rat race and she didn't break down, but she instead picked herself up and continued to go. And she's still here and standing.
Right. Preach. How? Next time, you don't have to come Kamuline. I want you to come and preach. Like, oh.
I need to.
Hi. So, what does having a golden heart mean to you?
What does having a golden heart mean? Is that the question?
Yes, to you.
Yes, having a golden heart means to me having a heart to serve, because I believe as human beings we were created to serve. Remember in the Garden of Eden, I'm going to make biblical references because I'm a believer. In the Garden of Eden, God made a man, and after that he said steward this garden. So we were made to serve. Men were created to serve. So I believe having a golden heart is being able to serve humanity, is being able to create impact in people's lives, is being able as the reigning queen or somebody you are becoming, using that influence in order to create opportunities like Mother Teresa. She used her influence in order to feed people, to serve people. So I believe that having a golden heart is having a heart to serve, even if it means you're not getting paid for it.
Madoda. Hi. Sinta. Hey, what values do you drop the fire. You're dropping the fires. What values do you live by every day, Sinta?
Values I live by if it's not biblical, if it's not scriptural, I'm not doing it. I'm sorry, I'm not coming. My faith comes first. I'm a believer, so my faith comes first. I also value relationship. I value relationships so much. I believe that as people, we are built to be in community. We were made not to be alone. So another is love, kindness, having a heart to serve, that golden heart that you need to have in order to serve others, in order to show up even when you are not appreciated, because that's just your being and you believe that it's your purpose. You came on earth to steward and serve. Those are my views.
I also play late. Hayi le ndaba kumele mina ngiyivale ngeke hayi ngiyagijima hayi awa so what dreams actually what legacy do you want to leave behind? Batla batho ba gopole ka eng?
Oh my. That's an easy one. Thank you so much for that question. I want to be remembered as a person who brought impact, who came up with something that changed people's lives. Even if it's not a traumatic invention, but I want to be remembered in the hearts of people that community, or rather that rural area, I was there and I brought a change that was undeniable. Maybe built a school for unprivileged children, or build a home for old age people. I want to be remembered for something that is very dear to the heart, because I'm a server.
Rahuto.
School of success.
Yo, Bontle School of Success.
success. Yes, absolutely.
Correct. I. Mm-mm. What are your future goals after Miss Golden Heart South Africa?
My future goals after Miss Golden Heart South Africa is to enter another pageant. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the name of the pageant, but
Mm-mm.
it's
Mm-mm.
let's not go there. Let's not go there.
Yes.
But let me put it this way. I think all the finalists will agree with me. Girls, our goal is to be who? Miss South Africa. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you say after I said you were like, okay,
Mhm.
I'm going for Miss South Africa. You won't say no to this.
I won't say no to this.
I
Sorry.
will get there. Now you will get there, Shem. So,
Thank
um, re simolotse. No, re tswale. We have to end it. We have started, manje. We have to end this. Ne? So,
you. Mhm.
re shape ka motivation. Re shape ka motivation. Any motivation.
Motivation.
Then, you after before the motivation, tell us how can we
Mhm.
join Miss Golden Heart South Africa, ne? Then after, motivate us. Then we are eval. Then uqedile.
Oh, this has come to an end. What is said
Ah!
one, but every good thing comes to an end. And how this is how you enter Miss. I would urge you to follow Miss Golden Heart SA on every platform: Facebook, Instagram, and also TikTok. It's Miss Golden Heart SA. You use capital letters when you write it, and you will stay updated on how you will enter when the entries are open. They're not now, they are closed because we are going towards the grand finale. But when they are opened, you will be notified on those platforms. This is my motivation to young people out there. Remember that you were created for a purpose. You are here to fulfill an assignment. You were wonderfully and fearfully made. Don't listen to the noise out there. Do not take in the identity that that social media and the world portrays, because some of them, they are even fictional. It's just pretense. So be yourself and live. Fulfill your assignment, live a purposeful life, and when you go to heaven, go in peace. Thank you.
Mm, mm. I didn't want this to end. The problem is the time.
the time, I see.
She's definitely coming back.
Thank you.
Oh, we want some more because this one, get.
Yeah, man. And thank you so much for having me. TKSR radio station listeners, I love you loads, Kesana.
Aye. She's even sending the laugh. She's
I'm coming back. Thank you.
indeed. She did say that she goes with beauty and brains. First intro. First intro. O itse ke mbontle. E re nna ke go
Mm-hmm.
lokolla. E re before we take another 5 minutes. E re nna ke go tlogela. Let's close it because wow.
Let's close it, because if we continue, I might be the one on the media team. Yeah, TKSR radio station. Thank you.
Yo. By the way, she noticed that our social media accounts are lacking somewhere. She noticed that yeah, via the streams, the numbers, we are doing well, to be honest. The problem, the management of the media, and she studied
Ish,
media at the
ish,
university
and it's
level.
important.
university level. Just imagine. So she was like, "No, I want to step in." So we have to talk about this. I think she must step in and do something. She's qualified. She's qualified. There's nothing that we can do.
Just
If
like
she's qualified, ojile buka motho. Ojile buka.
amen.
We have to discuss it, Sam. We have to discuss it, then record. So, Bontle, thanks for joining us. And thanks to Miss Golden
Thank you
Heart
so much.
for allowing us to host you.
Wow. Thank you so much for having me, and thanks a lot to Miss Golden Heart for connecting us, because yes, it was necessary for this hour, this minute. Thank you.
Nah, down, gonna.
Sharp.
Yo, 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 yo. Mm-mm. People are gifted out there. People are working out there. Wena wenzani? Wena wenzani? Abantu basebenza. Ma 2K, ba-serious. I see bright future, and this thing engetsa gore le nna to keep pushing, because I'm one of the 2Ks. 2K on the dot straight. So we are doing the most. Let's keep doing what we do, like keep inspiring others, following those footsteps. Study billionaire, you know. If we have to support, let's support. If we have to vote, let's vote. Omungu busy out there doing other stuff. Abanye ba busy, they are shaping the future. You know, next thing you'll be working for your peers, I mean, the Tagatsao. They are busy working. When you are busy doing your own thing, then you will be like, mina, ah, what? No. Stay updated on the new trends. I give you the TikTok trends, like educational trends. If there is something that you have to join in order to improve your future, step in and get involved. You know, you are investing. Invest in knowledge. Invest in some knowledge is something that nobody can steal from you. Once you invest your time in learning, I got this. Check what um Miss Golden Heart South Africa they are doing. They take these girls and train them not only ka media but ka modeling, I mean, but also like, come on, educationally, how to approach questions, how to answer, how to present themselves out there, and they are doing the most. You won't stop them. They got this. Before I go deeper, let me close this thing. Let me mangevale. For those who tune in late, please don't forget to follow us on all digital platforms. YouTube, we will make sure we upload the interviews today. All the interviews that we have done from Monday till today will be uploaded today midnight. Then I'll make sure I do the thing. I do the things. Thanks for joining us, Mamiro Monte. It's your boy TK the poet. No, it's your boy Isaiah Luvanj Klongwane, all the way from Rodiport. Thanks for joining us. Ke tlo le leboga waya ne. Let me dlala le song. Let me dlala this song, my favorite.